So I've stopped making 3D printer videos for a while because, I'll tell you. So the story is, remember that clicking noise in one of my videos?
Okay, so we're 3D printing this.
Yeah, and not that long after that, it started clogging and clogging and clogging so much. Then after that, it just clogged every single time you even started a print after it was done with the brim. So we had to get a new extruder thingy, and you know what I'm talking about. And now it's fixed. So yeah, I'll start making more 3D printer videos, and yeah. So bye.